Full disclosure, I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's go. Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell. If you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion to gardening to youth to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter. Alright guys, so I don't know why I'm whispering. We are in the backyard. I have the raised bed set up here, figure of the grass. That's another issue back there. We have two planters here, which I don't think you can see off camera. And then I have some new, actually just one new plant, or a few new plants. I got a mulberry bush, a dwarf mulberry bush, and some cilantro to go in the tomato plants. So, oh, and let me show you this. So here is the dwarf mulberry bush. I'll show you that better at a later time. This is the raised bed soil that I used last year, so I'm going to use that again this year. I have 2 bags. Not sure if I'm going to use both. So I have that. And then this year, I've never tried this, but I'm going to try this just natural organic mushroom compost. So compost is supposed to like feed the soil, help it, stay rich. And perfectly, it's going to rain today. I need to go get my gloves. So I'm going to just bring you guys closer. And also I have a cucumber and bell pepper and jalapenos to plant as well. I need to fill up this bed some more and then put some more soil in these, and I'll put compost in both as well. That's what we're doing today. So I'm just going to stop talking and let's get to it. So here is the pot for the mulberry bush. I don't really know where I'm going to put this. I think I'm just going to put it over here by the fence for now. So I'm just going to fill this up as much as I can. And it already
Hey guys, I just wanted to hop in really quick to let you know that I did film this last year. And I did basically the same thing again this year, so I didn't want to record 2 of the same videos. But last year I put my mulberry bush in a container. It did not bear any fruit, so this year I planted it in the ground, so hopefully it will bear fruit. Fingers crossed.
Can't decide if I want to put the jalapenos in here because I have more plants. If I should put the mulberry bush in here. It looks kind of good in that little thing. Might be a lot of plants. Shoot. What is a girl to do? Mulberry bush. Gently take it out. Come on, little guy. Ooh. Getting a new home, little buddy. He told me to kind of pull the roots a little bit. I'm assuming this is what he meant. I don't know. Encourage him, I guess, to grow out some. This is all trial and error. Trial and error. So I'm just going to kind of mix that around. Definitely think I need some more dirt. Soil. I think I'm going to do 1 jalapeno, 1 pepper. I don't know if they can grow together, but we'll find out.
So it turns out that they can grow together, but I did notice that the jalapenos weren't as spicy and they tasted more like a bell pepper than a jalapeno. So this year I made sure to plant them separately. Also, I have some, I believe they're mild banana peppers, so I'll keep you guys posted on how those grow this year. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do have a Instagram page that I put some of my gardening stuff on from here and there.
Alright, so I'm going to put 1 jalapeno and 1 pepper. I still have the extra one. I really don't know what I'm going to do with this extra one, but suckers are dry. And these are bell peppers. So we'll see if they can grow together. They're probably gonna suck the life out of each other, but hey, it's a science experiment. Alright, so I have a pepper here, a jalapeno, and cucumbers. So I'm going to put another cucumber in here. And then I'm going to move this one back and put another pepper and then another jalapeno. Don't know if they're going to grow, but we'll see. Alright, last but not least, I'm going to put these cilantro plants in the middle of these tomato plants, and I need to put them on the cage as well. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a cilantro maybe in the middle of each of them. Hopefully they'll grow in the shade, but yeah, we'll see if this helps ward off the bugs. And then I'm gonna put some put some compost on these as well. Spilling it everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna put my cage on here. Make sure it kind of lines up with tomatoes. Let's see. These two are kind of together, and this one's up here. Okay, perfect. Okay. And I already put compost in here, so I'm just gonna mix it up just a little bit. And then I'm gonna put that cilantro in the middle. I don't know why I'm putting it in the middle, but that's I'll just put it in the middle. And it's actually pretty good to eat now. What did I just do with that label? Great. Did it fall in here? There's no label. Oh, there it is. Okay. Here's my label. Not that you can't tell, but. Alright. That's it. Alright guys, I totally forgot this happened, so I had to leave this in. As I was cleaning up to, dust off all the dirt that I left around, I did the silliest thing ever. Enjoy. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye! You saw it here first. You gotta be kidding. Literally just kicked a hole in the thing. How was it that like? Ah! Luckily I know where I got it from. Yikes. This is so pretty. Fail. Oh well. Well, that's gone. I kicked a hole in the carpet thing here. So we gotta find new carpet. Great. All right, see you guys later.